Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to know how to make prediction and classification to predict generated pressure from explosion. I have a specific classification system that is determined by 8 input geometrical parameters, and I got pressure and classification as my target or output parameters. The classification is related to the pressure values. I have three different classification. One represents safe, two represents that there will be injury, and three is a fatal category. So I'll start using SPSS modeler here, and I'll go to source, start to import my file, this file, and I'll preview my data. I have here 8 input variables and 2 output variables. So, okay. And I can control types here. In this video, I'll go to predict the classification only. I will not predict the pressure values as I need to make classification. And these data are categorical, not continuous. And all the other 8 variables are input variables. So I'll press apply, then OK. And at field operations, I'll press on type just to check again that I have everything set up, categorical classification and target. I can also preview the results here, and you will find that the values will be added here. For example, the classification I have 1, 2, 3 for input for parameter number 8. I have interval from 60 to 90 millimeters. So press apply, okay. And now I'll divide my data into training data set and testing data set. And if I want to add a validation data set, I can do by pressing this tab here. Then I'll choose only train and testing set, 70% as a training data set and 30% as a testing data set. And I'll press apply. Okay. Now I have all these machine learning models and statistical models. I can use the auto classifier, which I recommend. And here we can make training partition also, and we can control the cost, revenue, the weight. We can control the field here to use our target field as a classification, our inputs, the 8 input parameter that we have, and these are the available model types. You can exclude some if you want, or you can just make all of them run and choose the best for you. For example, this is the random forest, random trees, and this is the Bayesian network and supported vector machine, linear supported vector machine, logistic regression, C5. All of these are machine supervised models or unsupervised models. This is machine learning, except CHAID. CHAID is statistical model, and we can see there is a strong results gained from both. And by strong, I mean very accurate results, as we'll see now. So run, double click on classification. Here, these are the best three models. C5 with overall accuracy 97, and CHAID 94, and Bayesian network 91. If we press on C5, this algorithm again is kind of artificial intelligence. It's a machine learning unsupervised model. So this is classification or decision tree. We have 303 number of specimens. We have if x3 lower than or equal zero point 0.3, this makes zero safe results, and around 29% probability that the result will be injury, and 71% to have a fatal results, and so on until reaching the final level. This is also white shade. The difference here between C5 algorithm or machine or neural artificial network or random forest and CHAID, that CHAID is a statistical model that can use more than one model at each node. The other models are binary. They use only two nodes, but CHAID can use at the same level more than two nodes. Like in this one, it uses six nodes. So this makes fewer level. But again, this is a different kind of classification. Thank you.